Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Today I just thought of taking up this topic about books. Books really help us a lot in learning English. So whether we have to immerse ourselves in English or create an English environment around us, books are very essential. We should start with books. We should start reading books to learn this language. There are lots of advantages of reading books, which I'm going to discuss later. But right now, I'm going to get straight into the topic and I'm going to tell you 5 books we should start reading from today to improve your English speaking or your English as a language. The first one I would recommend is Short Stories in English for Beginners, written by Ollie Richards. This is a book which has a lot of short stories. It uses simple sentences, everyday English, everyday conversational English, and it is great for practicing reading and vocabulary. It is great for building vocabulary and reading practice also. It will help you to speak English naturally. So you will learn a lot of phrases, sentences which are used every day. These are short stories which are very simple, basic simple sentences are there. You will be able to read it, you will be able to understand it, you will be able to repeat it also. You can make more sentences with it as well. Okay, so this book is very useful. Try reading this book and you will definitely improve in your English speaking or your English skills. Another one I'm going to recommend is basically a grammar book. Okay, it is called Essential English Grammar in Use, written by Raymond Murphy. This is also a very good book. You can just try to learn some grammar rules from here. You can learn some sentence construction and basic grammar rules you'll be able to understand from here. So what you can do is you can always keep this book with you. Whenever you get time, just try to see what all things are there in English grammar. You don't have to focus more on grammar, but it's just that this will be a guiding book, a guidance basically for you. So whenever you get time, whenever you want to, just think of something, or, if you want to learn some grammar rules, you can just open it and just try to see what all things are there. Okay, and it is a classic grammar book with clear explanations and exercises. And this is perfect for self-study also. So when you read some grammar rules, there will be exercises also which you have to do so that you know if you have understood the concept or not. And it is very basic. Don't worry about it. It's very simple. So keep this book with you. I would recommend this. Another book I'm going to recommend is Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Now, this book focuses on vocabulary building with easy lessons and practice tests. This book focuses on vocabulary building with easy lessons and practice tests. So there will be test exercises and practice lessons also. And this helps learners speak more confidently. You'll be able to speak English very confidently. Okay, so these are some books which you should keep with you, right? Either of these you can keep with you for grammar and exercises and practice sessions, so that you know how to construct sentences and you know how to use proper sentences. Okay, apart from grammar, I'll tell you 2 novels also which you can start reading, right, at this level to boost up your English speaking or to boost up your English practice session. The first one is Charlotte's Web. This is written by E.B. White. This is a beginner-friendly novel with simple vocabulary and emotional storytelling. So this has simple vocabulary and it is an emotional storytelling. And it is great for practicing reading and comprehension. So basically it's a story also. So when you read it, it is an emotional story. So it will bind you, it will interest you, and you will be able to understand what is there. You will be able to comprehend sentences, structures, vocabulary, pronunciation, and storytelling also. Okay, so you can start with these kind of books. The last one I would recommend is The Alchemist, which is written by Paulo Coelho. This is an inspiring story with simple language and short sentences. This will help learners understand narrative style and motivational themes. So you'll be able to understand a narrative style. Narrative style means how to narrate a story, how to tell a story, how to describe something, which is very important in speaking in English. You describe things, you narrate something, a story basically, right? An experience you narrate. So when you start reading these novels, you'll get to understand what is the narrative style, and it is full of emotional themes. So it has an emotional theme, so you will learn to get motivated also. Okay, so it will work both ways for you, right? It will motivate you. At the same time, you will learn how to narrate a story, how to narrate an incident, how to narrate your experience, etc. Okay, now why books are important? Books will help you to understand the vocabulary. You will learn vocabulary first. There are lots of words. You will find new words. And since it is written, so you will be able to memorize it, recognize it. Keep in mind, whenever you forget, again, you can open the book and you will find that word and you will remember what it means. And try to understand it in context. In that sentence, what it means. Try to understand. Right? If not, then you can look up in the dictionary and see what it means. Okay, and try using that word in your own sentences. That is actually going to help you in your speaking practice. Okay, so you learn vocabulary, you will learn how to use that word in context. You will learn simple sentence construction, right? You will know how to construct sentences, how to narrate something. There will be a scene, you know how to narrate about it, how to tell or describe that scene or that particular thing. Okay, so you'll learn that. Another one is you will learn how to speak in English, right? The style. It will also help you in pronunciation, how to speak the language. And one more thing I would suggest here is what you can do is after reading these stories, after reading a paragraph or a page or, a story, you take some time to speak about it. You have to come up with a summary about it, right? So that is very important. If you start speaking on your own about it, it will absolutely help you in your speaking practice. So you will read, you will understand, and you will speak also. So it will be a complete practice session for you. So books help us in many ways. It will help you to understand the vocabulary, sentence construction or the sentence structure, how to understand English, how to present the ideas, how to talk about it, how to describe something, and then you can start speaking about it, what you have understood, and you can come up with a summary, you can talk about it so as to practice English speaking, like what you have understood, right? So take a note of these books, see if you can find it online and try to read it, and it's definitely going to help you. But I would suggest whatever book, whatever stories you take up, just read some. I would recommend whatever books you're interested in, you can take up and you can start reading. Okay, it is absolutely going to help you to improve your English communication and understanding. And then, of course, it will build your confidence and fluency later. So guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.